my lemon curd. Very easy to make, simple as ABC. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make lemon curd. If you love me, if you love my videos, if you've checked out all my other videos and you like them, please subscribe to my channel because that's the only way you can support me. Like and share my videos. Let's start this video. To make lemon curd, obviously you need lemons, fresh lemons, and we're not going to be using lemon extract, lemon juice of some sort from any store. We're going to be using fresh lemons. So I'm just going to extract, I'm going to ensure that I extract 2/3 cup of lemon out of this, and I'm also going to be using the lemon zest. The way to get out the lemon zest, I'm just going to grate the body and get out at least 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Now my ingredients are complete. This is my lemon zest, my squeezed out lemon juice, granulated sugar, my eggs. This is, here I have 6 eggs, but I'm using all and I'm not using all. I'll tell you what I mean by that later. This is an empty bowl and another empty bowl. So now I'm going to, this is my butter. This is also my butter. This in my hands here I have 4 eggs. I'm going to separate the yolk from the white. I'm going to use the yolk and I'm not going to use the white. You can use the white for whatever you need it for. Maybe you want to use it for macarons, meringue, Swiss meringue, buttercream, and other things. Nothing goes to waste actually. So I'm going to separate the yolk and put it here and keep the white aside. But for this remaining 2 eggs, I'm going to use all of it. I'm going to use all of it. So I'm just going to show you a clip on how I separate my egg. So this is how I separate my egg white from my egg yolk. So I'm gonna do this. So I'm going to pour it out from part that doesn't have sharp edges. Like this place has sharp edges. So I'm going to pour it out from here into my hands and open my hands a little so that the white part can fall out. Then I'll have only the yolk left. Just the yolk. So that's how to separate your egg white from your yolk. Now that I have my egg yolks, I'm going to add 2 eggs to it now. These 2 eggs, I'm going to add both the egg white and the egg yolk. 1. 2. I'm going to add my sugar. Then I'm going to whisk it properly. After whisking it, now I'm going to switch to my silicone spatula because I'm going to move this straight to the pot, and I'm going to cook it on medium heat till medium to low heat, so till it thickens in texture. Now I'm going to add this to the pot. It's good to use a silicone spatula for this so as to scrape all the excess away. This is my 1/3 cup, so I'm going to pour 2 of it. That's making it 2/3. Don't mind the orange, the seed that is going into it. It doesn't matter, it even gives it more flavor. Cup is not so full, so I'm just going to add this. This is 2/3. Please know that you can do this in a double boil, but I don't have that patience to wait, and this is how I do it, and it becomes thick. It's thickening already. It's not, its consistency is not like before. It's thickening already. You do not stop stirring, if not you would have cooked egg. At this stage I'm going to add my lemon zest because it's already boiling, to give it that thingy. I'm going to reduce the fire. Oh. And I'm going to stir until it melts away. I'd advise you bring out your butter to room temperature before use, so as to enable it melt really fast, because mine is quite hard a little. I had to turn off the fire for the butter to melt totally, and now that it has melted totally, I have turned it on again. Now I'm going to add my vanilla. I'm going to use half teaspoon of vanilla because my flavor is very intense. And that's all. That's our lemon curd. It's ready. Now I'm going to pour it into this and strain it. It's quite hot. My lemon curd is ready, pretty and smooth. All the sweet. Oh my god. That's my language. All the sweet means it is sweet. Oh my god means it is sweet. So to store this, I'm going to transfer it into a glass jar. I'm just going to transfer this into my jar. Okay, this is my lemon curd. This is my lemon curd. Very easy to make, simple as ABC. Like very simple to make. Try it out, make it. Give me experience in the comment section. Tell me how it was, how you found it, how it tastes, and I'll be glad to reply to your observations. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.